Good morning, children. Some more paragraphs from the lesson Ranga's marriage. In my previous class, I told you that Ranga wanted to leave the narrator's house because he said he had work at home. I went to our Sastri the next morning and told him keep everything ready to read the stars. Next morning, the narrator visited Sastri's house, who was Sastri, an astrologer. He claimed to know everyone's future. He was an astrologer. Keep everything ready to read the stars. I will come later. The narrator told him to keep everything related to his science of astrology ready, so that after reading the stars he will be able to tell whose future, Ranga's future. I will come later. The narrator assured him that he would come later. I tutored him in all that I wanted him to say. Whatever narrator wanted Sastri to tell Ranga, he taught him everything. The narrator gave him all necessary pieces of information related to Ranga, so that it would be an easy task for Sastri to tell Ranga's future. That is why the narrator says, I tutored him in all that I wanted him to say. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. That afternoon, the narrator met Ranga, but he did not find any change in him. What's the matter? He seemed to be lost in thought. I said. There was no change. But the narrator asked him, what is the matter? You should be lost in thought. He wanted to know what the matter was, why Ranga was lost in thought, why he seemed to be lost in thought. Nothing is wrong, believe me. Ranga assured him that there was nothing wrong with him. But the narrator was not ready to believe his words. Actually, his main plan was to take him to the astrologer's house. And he had already tutored the astrologer in all that he wanted him to say. I have already told you. Headache, come, let us go and see a doctor. He was working according to his plan. Who? The narrator. Are you suffering from headache? Come, let us go and see a doctor. He advised that they should go to a doctor, go to see a doctor. I have no headache, I am my usual self. Ranga said that he did not have any headache, he was in his usual self. Previous self, nothing had happened to him. But the narrator was determined to take him to whose house? The astrologer's house. He said, I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. The narrator told Ranga that he had also gone through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for him had been going on. But I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. But the narrator assured him that he didn't think that could be a reason for his present condition. Ranga stared at him. Come, let us go and see Sastri, I suggested. Then the narrator suggested that they should go and see Sastri, the astrologer. The astrologer had already been tutored in all that the narrator wanted him to say. I have already told you, remember this point. Ranga accompanied me without any protest. We will find out whether Guru and Sunny are favorable for you or not. The narrator told Ranga that they would find out whether Guru and Sunny were favorable for him or not, for Ranga or not. Ranga accompanied me without any protest. Ranga did not show any protest, went silently to the astrologer's house with the narrator. As soon as Sastri saw me, he exclaimed, what a surprise, Shama! Haven't seen you for a long time. The moment Sastri saw the narrator, he shouted, what a surprise, Shama! Haven't seen you for a long time. It's a surprise for me. Shama, I have not seen you for a long time. You have visited me after a long time. Shama is none other than your servant, the narrator of this tale. Who is Shama? Nobody else. He is the narrator of this story. I got angry and shouted. The narrator didn't seem to be didn't remember what he had told Sastri that very morning, that he had met Sastri that very morning. He lost his temper and shouted, what? Only this morning? He wanted to say. Only that morning he had met him. Sastri completed my sentence. Here the narrator was on the verge of making a mistake. Because of that, his plan was going to burst. His plan was going to be revealed before Ranga. He did not want it. Here Shastri ji came forward to handle the situation. You finished all your work and are now free to visit me. He told the narrator that after finishing his work, the narrator was now free to visit him. Had he not done so, he handled the situation very wisely. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. Just as grains that are kept in the sun to dry burst. Burst means what? Break suddenly and violently apart. Just as grain breaks suddenly and violently apart, which grains? The grains that are kept in the sun to dry. In the same way, his plan was going to burst if the situation had not been handled wisely by Shastri, the astrologer. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. After that, the narrator became very much careful. He thought before saying anything. He thought what he had to say before producing it before anybody. Anybody here means Shastri Baba. Shastri ji. Shastri turned to Ranga. Now Shastri's attention was towards Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk home? He wanted to know when Ranga, the young son of their accountant clerk, had come home. What can I do for him? He wanted to know what he could do for him. It's very rarely that he visits us. Shastri complained that it was very rarely that Ranga visited them. Take out your paraphernalia. Paraphernalia means what? A large number of objects or personal possessions, especially the equipment that you need for particular activity. A large number of objects or personal possessions, especially the equipment that you need for particular activity. Take out here, paraphernalia means the things associated with the science of astrology. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Narrators told Shastri that their Rangappa seemed to have something going in his mind. Something on his mind. Can you tell us what's worrying him? The narrator wanted to know what was the matter that was worrying Ranga. The narrator wanted to know what was worrying him. Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? He told the narrator that he asked the narrator if they should put his science of astrology to the test. There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. When the narrator was talking to Shastri, he felt the presence of power in his voice. He took out 2 sheets of paper. Shastri took out 2 sheets of paper, some courage. He had some courage with him, Kauri. You must have seen courage on the occasion of Deepavali. And a book of Palmyra leaves. He also had a book, Shastri had a book made from Palmyra leaves, saying, ours is an ancient science, Ayya. He said to the narrator that their science was an ancient science. Ayya is the word he used for the narrator. There is a story to it. Shastri told that there was a story that has to related to that science of astrology. But I won't tell you that story now. But Shastri didn't want to tell the narrator that story then. This is not a Harikatha which allows you to tell a story within a story. His story was not like a Harikatha. What happens in a Harikatha? A Harikatha allows you to tell a story within a story. There is a story within a story. You may get bored. He did not want the narrator to get bored, so he told him that he would tell him that story some other time. Thank you, children.